Imagine this. You open CapCut, you see the little pro icons on all the coolest effects, and you're tempted to Google how to get CapCut Pro for free. Stop, don't. Because today, I'm going to show you how to use CapCut's pro-level features completely free and completely legal, without hacking, cracking, or risking your account. Let's go. First, quick reality check. CapCut Pro is a paid product. Trying to bypass the paywall with hacks, modded APKs, or shared cracked accounts is not only illegal, it can get your device infected, your account banned, and your projects lost forever. So instead of cheating the system, I'll show you how to use tools that give you the same power as many pro features, without paying, and without breaking any rules. Section 1. Using the free version like a pro. CapCut's free version is way more powerful than most people realize. If you squeeze everything out of it, you might not even need Pro. Open a new project in your mind. Picture your phone screen. Step 1. Use keyframes to fake advanced animations. You don't need paid transitions for smooth camera moves. You can use keyframes to create your own. Imagine this. You place a clip on the timeline. You zoom in a little at the start and then a little more near the end. Boom. You've just created a custom zoom-in movement that feels like a pro transition. Do the same with rotation, position, and scale. Move your clip slightly up, then slightly down. That's a professional handheld effect. Slowly zoom out over time. That's a cinematic reveal. Step 2. Use free transitions like a designer. Everyone just taps random transitions. Don't do that. Pick 1 or 2 clean free transitions and stick with them for your whole video. When your transitions are consistent, your edit looks expensive, even if you used only the free ones. Use a simple dissolve for talking parts. Use simple slide or zoom transitions for fast montages. Don't mix 20 different transitions. Pick a style and commit. Step 3. Use speed control instead of paid motion effects. Slow motion and speed ramps can make your edits look super premium without any pro subscription. Take a clip. Slow it down on the emotional moments. Speed it up on the boring parts. Use smooth speed ramping on action moments to create that TikTok-style velocity feel without buying any special effects. Step 4. Use masking to fake advanced edits. The mask tools in CapCut's free version are incredibly powerful. You can stack clips and use masks to reveal them in creative ways. For example, you can have one clip slide in from the left and use a soft edge mask to blend it with the clip underneath. That looks like a custom transition you paid for, but it's completely free. Section 2. Free resources that replace many CapCut Pro elements. A lot of what you pay for in CapCut Pro is convenient, not magical. Fonts, stock clips, stock images, sound effects, and overlays. You can get most of that from legal free sources outside the app. Let's start with fonts. If you feel limited by CapCut's free fonts, go grab free commercial use fonts from legit sites that provide them. Then use them inside your video by creating PNG titles in another free design tool and importing them into CapCut. Here's the idea. You design a title with a bold, cool font. You export it with a transparent background. Now you drop that image on top of your video in CapCut. Suddenly, your titles look like you used a premium pack. Next, stock videos and backgrounds. Instead of relying on locked pro stock in CapCut, you can download legal free stock clips from proper free libraries that allow use in your videos. Then import them as normal video clips. This gives you cinematic B-roll, abstract backgrounds, city shots, nature, or tech visuals that look super premium. You're basically building your own CapCut Pro library from legal free sources. Now, sound effects and music. CapCut has some free sound effects and tracks, but they're limited. Instead, build your own sound library. Search for free sound effects and royalty-free music with licenses that allow you to use them on YouTube, TikTok, or wherever you post. Once you've downloaded them, import them into CapCut. Stack them, layer them, add whooshes for transitions, hits for cuts, risers before drops, subtle ambience under talking. That's exactly what you'd be paying for in pro bundles, except you're just assembling it yourself with legal free sounds. Section 3. How to recreate popular pro effects with free tools. Now let's talk about the stuff people really want from CapCut Pro. The flashy templates, the AI effects, the aesthetic filters. You can imitate a lot of this if you understand how the effect works. First, viral text-based edits. Those edits where the text dances with the beat, bounces, stretches, and pops. You don't need a pro preset for that. All you need is 1. A beat. 2. Keyframes. 3. Patience for a few minutes. Place your text. Now move the playhead to each beat in your song. At every beat, slightly change the position, scale, or rotation of the text and add a keyframe. Now your text is bouncing on beat. You just manually recreated a pro text animation preset with your own timing. Second, overlay and light leak effects. Instead of buying premium overlays, you can download legal free light leak videos, glitch textures, and particle effects. Then drop them over your clip and set the blending mode to achieve a stylish cinematic look. You can get dreamy flares, vintage film vibes, or edgy glitch looks, all from free video overlays stacked in CapCut. Third, AI-style looks without the AI paywall. Some AI effects are truly locked behind paywalls, but you can often get a similar style manually. For example, if you like those stylized color grade looks, you can increase contrast, crush the blacks a bit, push the shadows slightly toward blue and the highlights toward orange, then adjust saturation. Save those settings as a style in your own mind and reuse them. Now you've basically built your own pro filter. Section 4. Use the mobile and desktop versions strategically. Here's a trick a lot of people don't think about. CapCut is available on phones, tablets, and desktops. Sometimes certain regions or platforms get more free features or longer free trials than others. Keep your app updated. Check both mobile and desktop versions. Sometimes, templates or effects that are pro on one platform might be free or differently labeled on another, especially in different regions or during promotions. You're not breaking any rules by taking advantage of what's freely offered in your region or on your device. Just be smart and pay attention. Section 5. Leverage trials and promos the smart, legal way. Now let's talk about free trials and promos. This is the only legit way to use the actual CapCut Pro features for free, as intended by the company. From time to time, CapCut or app stores offer free trials or discounts for Pro. If a free trial is offered for your account, you can absolutely use it. This is legal and intended. Here's how to use a free trial like a strategist. Step 1. Don't start your trial randomly. Plan a big editing week. Collect all your raw clips, B-roll, music, and ideas first. Outline a bunch of videos you want to edit. Step 2. When you're fully ready, then start your free trial. During that limited period, go hard. Use all the pro features you've always wanted to test. Export as many finished videos as you can. Step 3. Before the trial ends, decide honestly if it's worth paying for your workflow. If not, cancel on time. You used the trial exactly as intended. You got full pro power legally for free for that period. There's nothing shady about this. This is how free trials are supposed to work. Section 6. Use templates wisely without pro. A lot of viral CapCut edits come from templates shared by other creators. Some templates are labeled pro, but many are completely free. You can 1. Search for templates by trending keywords or creators. 2. Save the structure and rhythm in your mind. 3. Rebuild that style in your own project using free tools. Even if a template uses pro elements, you can study how it cuts on the beat, where it zooms, how it uses text, and then recreate that in your own timeline using only free effects. You're not copying files, you're copying techniques. And techniques are free. Section 7. Legal versus illegal. The clear line. Let's make this absolutely clear, because this is the heart of the video. What is illegal or against terms? Using cracked or modded versions of CapCut. Using pro features through unauthorized methods. Sharing paid accounts in ways the terms don't allow. Using stolen assets, like music, fonts, stock footage, without proper rights. Those things can get your account banned, your videos taken down, or worse. What is legal? Using the free version of CapCut to its full potential. Using free trials exactly as they're offered. Using free, properly licensed fonts, music, and stock clips from third-party websites. Recreating styles and techniques manually using keyframes, masks, and overlays. Learning from pro edits and rebuilding them with free tools. You're not breaking anything. You're just being resourceful. Section 8. Mindset. Becoming a creator, not a consumer. Here's the secret nobody tells you. CapCut Pro will not magically make your edits good. If your timing is off, if your story is weak, if your audio is bad, Pro Effects won't save it. On the other hand, if your storytelling, pacing, and sound are good, the free version of CapCut is more than enough to go viral. Use this as your challenge. Instead of thinking, I need Pro to be good, think, Let me master every free tool so well that when I eventually pay for Pro, I'm unstoppable. Become the person who can make a viral edit with basic transitions, simple cuts, and smart sound design. That skill is worth way more than any subscription. Section 9. Action plan you can follow right after this. Here's a simple 3-step plan to turn this into results. Step 1. Pick one video idea you can shoot today. It can be a short tutorial, a mini vlog, a product showcase, or a comedy bit. Doesn't matter, just something you can record right now with your phone. Step 2. Edit it only using CapCut's free tools, plus any legal free music or sound effects you download. Use keyframes to add movement. Use 2 or 3 simple transitions consistently. Use basic color adjustments to make it pop. Add a clean title that you designed or that you picked from the free options. Step 3. Post it. Then make another one tomorrow, and another one the next day. You don't need Pro to start, you need practice. Section 10. Closing. So, how do you use CapCut Pro features for free legally? You don't try to steal Pro. You learn how to recreate pro-level results using the free version, free external resources, and smart editing techniques. You use trials strategically when they're offered. You respect licenses. You focus on skill, not shortcuts. The creators who win are not the ones with the most expensive subscriptions. They're the ones who know how to tell a story, hold attention, and squeeze every drop of value out of the tools they already have. If you found this helpful, save this. Share it with a friend who's searching CapCut Pro free right now, and challenge them to make their best video using only the free tools. You have everything you need in your pocket. Now open CapCut and prove it.